What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from EnGenius. They were nice enough to send one of their EnGenius ESR580 2-pack smart mesh routers. I also reviewed EnGenius ESR530 a couple months back. You guys can watch the video, there'll be a link in the video's description. Now both of these routers setup process is same, so I don't want to get in too in-depth. Now you guys already know Smart Mesh router is kinda like Wi-Fi extender but more advanced. So basically with Smart Mesh routers you can expand your home Wi-Fi network and get better Wi-Fi signal. EnGenius ESR580 comes with EnMesh app, so you can easily set up the routers. You can also use their EnFile app and make the mesh router your personal network cloud storage and store your personal data. But you do need to plug an external USB drive. Now, quick specs rundown. EnGenius ESR580 comes with wireless IE 802.11 AC-A-BGN. Support AC 2200 tri-band, so basically you will get one 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal up to 400 Mbps speed and two 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal up to 867 Mbps speed. Let's look at the interface real quick. Back of the router, you will find two Ethernet ports, one WAN port and one LAN port, one USB 3.0 port and DC in port for power. Now this router's dimension is around 127 mm in diameter and the height is 57 mm. So these routers are not all that big. After opening the box, you will find two white smart mesh routers, two power adapters, one network cables and quick start guide. Now the setup process is really easy. All you have to do basically download EnGenius EnMesh app from Android Google Play or iOS app from Apple App Store. Plug the power adapter to router DC in and plug the first router's Ethernet cable to your ISP modem. Open the EnMesh app and simply follow the steps. For second router, setup process is same. Just follow the same steps. You don't need to plug the second router to your ISP modem. After you're done with the setup process, you can leave the router on your desk or mount it on the wall. You'll find two sets of mounting screws in the box. EnGenius ESR580, perfect for office and home use. Now you can buy one EnGenius ESR580 mesh router for $129 and 2-pack for $249. I personally think the price tag is a bit high, but overall EnGenius ESR580 smart mesh routers perform really well. You will find the product link in the video's description. Don't forget to check out. Thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Peace.